New age shit. Yeah, 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 yeah. Forever, the name. New age shit. We gon' go from Boston.
YouTube! What's good with y'all boys, man? Hey, starting back in the car, but we're not finna end up in the car. Today I'm finna be fixing my fog lights. So if you don't know, when you swapping out your front bumper to a SRT bumper to a Scat Pack bumper, whatever, from a different year, 2018s, like anybody with fucking the little square, little fucking fog lights, you have to do this fucking crucial step. Other than that, your fucking fog lights won't work. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be fixing all that and wiring them back up. Not really wiring them back up, but like it's really a simple fucking fix, but not many people know that you're supposed to do it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So as far as that, let's get to the action. All right, y'all, and for the tools this time, I'm telling y'all, it's not gonna be like last time to where I gave y'all a whole bunch of fucking tools. You real life only need 2 tools for this, right? Sorry if I'm breathing hard. It's hot as fuck out here, and yeah, I'm fat. So anyways, you only need 2 tools for this. You need this, like a little tool just to get the little notch out, and a pry tool. And this is just for just to get your muff flaps off and shit like that, and you know, the little retainer clips. So just really these 2 tools, and you should be able to get everything off. So let's head to the front. All right, so in order to get your little muff flaps off, right, you got one here, one little retainer clip here. You're supposed to have one here, if you can see it, one here and one here, but as y'all can see, mine's broke off, so we're not worried about that. And then you could just pull this down by here, not too much force, not too strong. Just pull it down and it should come out. And then your fog light should be right there. So what you do is, it's a little clip. See that? A little clip. You just press and it should come out. Just press this little button right here, and that should be able to slide back this, and that should come out just like that. And then that's how you get your fog lights out. And once you get this little clip out, all you want to do is pry this up and off with this tool, and then you should expose both of these 2 wires, and it should be able to just come out just like that. And then what you'll do is you just swap them, literally just swap them, and then plug it back in, and it should work. All right. So y'all can see what I'm doing here, if y'all can. If you break that little yellow piece, it's not that bad. I mean, just don't try to break it, but try to get it off. And then, I don't know if you can see that, but there's this 2 little pins holding it in. All you do is use this little tool, same tool, press on it and pull out. throw this back onto the actual fog light. Alright, and then for the other side, basically you just turn the wheel to the right side this time. Take out this one, take out that one, and that should be good to just get it out. As far as my bumper, I think it's a wide body bumper, I ain't gonna lie to you, gang. I'm lying like shit. I don't know why the fuck that shit don't ever connect right here, but yeah, I mean, it's Scat Pack bumper, so who knows. So, but yeah, let's get that done too. All right, YouTube, we are done. As y'all can see, all the lights are on, and so y'all can figure out. That's lovely. It's still playing music. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. As y'all can see, all the lights are on. If y'all was ever trying to figure out how to turn the lights on without them being on, I mean, it's pretty simple. You just press this button, turn it all the way, and it should turn on your fog lights and your headlights. So make sure you turn it off because your battery will go dead. But other than that, I am hot as fuck. It's about 86 degrees outside right now. But as y'all know, I am done now. And that's probably a quick ass video. But as far as doing it, that is exactly how the fuck you do it. It's not that hard. It shouldn't be that hard for anybody that is trying to figure out how to do it. That is the most simplest process. You will need to do that if you do an SRT bumper swap on a RT. If you have those fog, the square or rectangle fog lights, and you go to the circle ones, you got to swap those cords in order to get to it. Other than that, that'll be the end of this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.